Imagine biting into a juicy, perfectly cooked Wagyu burger. The smoky aroma fills your senses and the flavor explodes in your mouth. But what if I told you creating this mouth-watering experience could be done with just 2 ingredients and a little bit of smoke? Let's check it out. Take a pound of ground Wagyu and your 4-ingredient spice rub, slowly working the 4-ingredient spice rub into the meat. You can also do this recipe with traditional ground beef. Just make sure that you use a fattier blend, nothing leaner than 80-20. After seasoning the Wagyu, we're going to make 3 roughly 1/3 pound patties out of it. We chose just to hand make our patties, but you can easily use a hamburger press as well. When your smoker is set up for 225 degrees, add the patties and cook to your desired level of doneness. We cook ours to be medium well. This takes about an hour. With just 2 ingredients and a little bit of smoke, you can easily make delicious smoked Wagyu burgers at home. Our method is simple, easy to follow, and results in a burger that will rival any gourmet restaurant. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out some of our other videos.